Let me ask you this. In this case, might it end up being a fact of justice delayed, ending up being injustice denied, because the case has dragged on for so long? Do you think we're ever going to see any justice in this matter?
It's going to be a very long time before that happens, because the only way in which it can be done, separate the two accused. Say to anyone that wants to go to the SCA and even the Constitutional Court, go there, but I'm going to deal with this one accused and be able to finish whatever that is there. The NPA would not have laid charges on them unless there's something that they could think that they would be able to stick and be able to prove beyond a double doubt that the individuals are guilty. Bring that evidence and do not be obsessed in making sure that they are part and parcel in one case. When you can be able to separate them, at least get those concessions, get those witnesses to come in while all the other legal processes are still there. If you look at the avenues that are still available to the former president and the manner in which he's been litigating, you can see that this matter is not going to start anytime soon. Maybe within the next 36 months to even 48 months, that is when we can start to see the first witness going into the witness box.
I'm looking at the timeline of the corruption case on our screens right now, and I'm wondering, over the years, in your opinion, how has this case influenced other corruption trials or accusations of corruption in our country?
It has shone a spotlight in the manner in which the NPA is working, and the manner in which our courts are working, and the manner in which the various legislation and the case laws are being interpreted. And one thing which is glaring is that the wheels of justice, they run very slowly if you have the resources, if you want to use and use all the options that are available to you. So the next thing would be, because you can't change the law is there to protect our interests and rights. What do you do as the NPA to be able to move on with this process? Some may even argue that it would have been a process of saying that if the bone of contention is Advocate Billy Downer, then remove him as the main character, get somebody else to come in, they'll be able to do the prosecution themselves. Or if you want to insist that they're still there, then you must be able to bear the brunt of all the delays which are going to be there. But think about it this way: the quality and the quantity of the evidence is going to affect this particular case.